Boss up, baby. We back with another one. Been a while since I talked about this topic. One of the main ones on YouTube, one of the first ones talking about this little known delivery option, gig app option. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. We talking about luggage delivery, how you guys can make over 350, 400, sometimes $800 in a day delivering lost luggage. Of course, peak times will, kind of affect that pay. You won't make that high pay every single day or week, but this is a lucrative business, something to add on to your already courier schedule, your courier business, or if you're thinking about a side hustle or thinking about something new, this video is just for you. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to get up to 50,000 subscribers this year. Help me out, 2025. So here's the 2025 lost luggage delivery. We're going to talk about the best companies you guys can get rolling with. First and foremost, let's go right to it. No long talk, long intro. So first one we're going to cover is reliable couriers. Talk about this company in a long form video a couple of times on this channel. Go back through my channel, click on the playlist. You can see all the videos, over 100 videos of courier work. But I know I got to update you every year. Sometimes things change, companies close, new companies come about. So I found a couple of new luggage delivery companies, but this one, Reliable Couriers, is an old and reliable one. How you get it? How I did that. All right. So what do we deliver? Box pickup from the airport, lost the luggage, and luggage pickup for departure. So oftentimes, um, people may take an Uber to the airport and they may have skis, golf clubs, something large that they can't fit in their bag or fit in their car that they're taking to the airport. And so they will call a luggage delivery company, pick it up freehand, and have it sitting out there curbside or already shipped and sent in to the airlines before they get there. So just be mindful. There are several ways to make money in luggage delivery, not just lost bags, but lost bags is the main way that people do make money delivering bags. When they come off the flight, come international, it's on a different flight, and they have to grab it the next day and deliver it to them. And then this company, Reliable Couriers, is what you look for. All right. So you come here, you see services, you can get in contact with them there. You can browse what airports that they partner with, and then you come here and down here under services, luggage delivery, and apply right there. Now, so not only on this channel do I show you guys where to get the jobs, I even show myself driving around making money doing these jobs, but I show you directly where to go and apply and how to get the most success actually applying and having success actually getting hired and getting on to these companies. Other YouTubers that have success going out there driving, very entertaining, but it's not really helping you making money because they don't really show you or tell you to the end of the video or what they're doing, or how they got on, or where they went to apply, who they contacted. But I'm showing you all of this stuff on this channel. So hit that subscribe button. That's help me, help everybody else grow. And don't be stingy. Share the video. Might help somebody else make money for an opportunity that's not in your area, but maybe in there. So here's the next company, Grab a Bag. Now, this is my least favorite of the luggage delivery companies. Grab My Bag. Their pay structure is kind of on the low end. You're definitely not going to be making 350, 300 a day doing this one solely. But if you add it on, you may can sign up for two different companies, go to the airport, pick up luggage for two different airlines, and go about your day and make it make sense. It's all about volume with this delivery business. The more you can carry, the heavier it is. The farther you go, the more money you can make. So here is Grab My Bag. You come here, say be a grabber nationwide. Going to come to the breakdown. $15 for one bag, $20 for two bags, and then $27 for 5 to 10 bags. So it's really, I would rather just take one or two bags. Instead of doing all that work for pretty much only $12 more, which ain't bad, but not my cup of tea. And then they got some stuff you do if you drove with Uber, Lyft, fill out the application, letting them know that you do have some type of experience doing deliveries. Any type of delivery will set yourself apart and get you a leg up from the other competition, because this video will go viral. Over 10,000 people will watch this video within the first 30 days, and they're going to get blown up with new applicants. So you need to be the first. You did. All right, next we got Bags. Just simply Bags Inc. Very simple, very straightforward. And this is a new one I found. I'm not familiar with this one, having applied for it myself, but they got remote airline check-in. The same thing, VIP luggage delivery, same day delivery if you lose it. Here's this guy. You see all the partners that they partner with, hotels and things that they may call if they need people to bring the bags. But let's see how we get on and get rolling with this company. Is it under careers? I haven't had a chance to really check these guys out. And I hope they are actually still in business. We're about to find that out. I hope we don't just waste me and your guys' time. Maybe we should do a little bit more research on this one. The website is not really responding. So that makes me believe they're not investing money in the company any longer, and they may not even be around. Let's check out their Twitter. It needs a little exercise to see, how reputable a company is. It's a little free game, free gems, some stuff I do to check out and see if these companies are real. This thing is not going nowhere. See, can we get a Facebook? This thing ain't doing nothing. All right, so I'm kind of off of Bags Inc. If you have success, I know their website is moving very slowly, real sketchy. I don't like it. Let's move on. Next, we got Senpex. Senpex is a company that I applied for. Haven't had an opportunity to work with them yet. They did get me onboarded, but haven't really seen any deliveries worth my while. But that's been in a couple of months since I've looked on there. So I probably should go back and see. But as you see with their advertising, drivers, $27 an hour, movers, if you got bigger vehicles, you can make up to $45 an hour, which is a darn good income. Darn good income. You do that, work 8 hours a day, easy $350 to $400. Deduct fuel and mileage to make it make sense for you. But this is the Drive Senpex website, and they do specialize in luggage delivery. You can start with your car, truck, van, box truck, whatever you got, and download it. Start by downloading the app. And I haven't logged on the app in a minute. I need to get back on Senpex. Saw some stuff that was pretty good, but most of it was like not during the time frames I can get on and get rolling. All right, so that's them. You come here, fill out the application. They probably send you a link, but I just went straight to the app and got onboarded a lot quicker. So I advise you guys to go through the app store, Google Play, iPhone, all that good stuff. All right. And then we got Roadie. I know, Roadie. I know. Roadie, low pays, far in between jobs, but they're getting better. They're allowing you to batch orders now, so you can kind of load up, front multiple orders all at once. So you go here at the top and has a link that says Drive for Roadie up at the top. And let me see if I can allow. What is this? Did it go to it? It's still spinning too. I'm losing internet connection. What's going on? These websites are working like they supposed to. Trying to deliver. Trying to drive for you guys. Can I drive? Here we go. Let's come back to them. And then next we got Great American Delivery Services. Delivery services, speed, excellence, all that good stuff. Let's kind of check out that area, because I believe this company is more in the Midwest, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while since I've been on here, but I have covered this company in a previous video about you? What about you guys? Yeah, Illinois. This is where the home office is. I think this one, yeah, specifically Chicago area. Yeah, Midwest, Illinois, maybe Indiana for the most part. But then you come down here to the bottom, driver application, and get rolling that way. Actually, I do remember this company. They actually sent me an email saying they was getting too many people outside of the Chicago area signing up, and it was messing up their records. So they told me to take my video down. I do remember this company. This is true. This is facts. They asked me to take the video down because too many of you guys were applying outside of the Chicago area. So I do want to stress that the Great American Delivery Service is primarily for the Chicagoland area. Okay, so if you're not in Chicago Midwest area or plan on delivering that area, do not apply and waste their time and your time as well. All right, and then next we got this company I love to hate. I really do love to hate them because I was never, ever, ever, ever able to get on with them to drive. Hurt my little feelings. Everybody else was able to get on. I could never get on. Applied every single year except for this year. Past 3-4 years I've been doing delivery work. Applied, never get on. So I'm not sure if they even hiring in Atlanta. No one I know in Atlanta has driven for them, but other cities and other states have. So go ahead, they're worth a try. It's a quick, 10-minute application process. So you're not spending any money. There's no background fees and no money up front. At least last time I applied, that may have changed, but I doubt it. All right. Now, here are some independent. So most of these are kind of like apps and well-known companies you can sign up for. But here's some companies that I did not find like a straight driver application or they're actually hiring, but they have to be hiring some type of driver, whether they're in-house or they outsource 1099 or they, contract with FedEx or UPS to do the deliveries and shipping. So my idea is, just send them an email, pull up on them, visit them and see if you can become a 1099 independent contractor with them. Call them, just try to see what you can do to get in and get your business up and running. If you don't have a LLC, if you don't have a cargo van, some large equipment, I wouldn't advise calling them and presenting yourself as a delivery company or a transportation company. Make sure you got the equipment. Make sure you have your business registered with the state. So if they try to look you up, you look credible. Make sure you have some type of web presence. Not necessarily a straight website, but you can use like a Facebook web page as a website. And, people just want to see that you have some type of presence online where people can leave comments and give you guys reviews. So that's Luggage to Ship. And then we got this one, which is called 7 Seas Worldwide. Contact them. They're based out of South Carolina. So probably like Columbia Airport, Charleston Airport. People down in the South Carolina area, Georgia, may have success with them. And then Lugless. Lugless is a company that do, school supplies, skis, golf clubs, all of that stuff. But email them, or they also have carrier support. So it does look like they work with FedEx, but they may need some smaller local companies that can make them beat out, FedEx price. If you can do that for some smaller delivery, smaller loads, it may work out for your benefits. So the boss up, this is the meaning of bossing up, taking, a standard side hustle or something you can do on the side or a small business or, your W-2 income, expanding it, taking the knowledge and starting your own business, starting your own company with this. So that's Lugless. And that is the end of the lost luggage delivery video. What, 2, 4, 6, about 7 to 8 companies today that I brought to you. Go ahead, sign up. Some in your area, some not. The first, I think 3, 4 were all international. So they not international, but national. So they should be in every major city, major area in the country. And if they're not, leave a comment down below what city and state that you're looking at this from, and I can find some opportunities in your area. All right. So if you need credit consultations, go ahead and book a consultation with your boy, creditk.com. We can talk about anything business credit, get you a business van, a personal vehicle, box truck with your business credit solely. And then follow me on all social media, Credit K, TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook. I'm everywhere. Willing to give you a game and help everybody boss the freak up. All right, later we go.